Okay, so we have some corn here that we pulled. These are the smaller pieces and the pieces that the birds have started to get to. So we're going to save all these for seed for next year. These are non-GMO corn, and so we're going to save the seeds and replant this next year. Now, what I'm doing is basically I'm just pulling back all of this right here, and this dark, I'm getting rid of that. But any of the corn silk that you see in here, I'm pulling all of that out. And you can see over here, I've got a stack of it. I'm saving this because I'm going to dry it. And this is really good to add to your herbal preparations because this is really good for the urinary system. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on here. You can see where the birds have already gotten half of that there. I'm going to leave it on the cob, and when I'm just going to set this on a wire rack so that it gets airflow all the way around it, and I'm just going to let it dry on the cob. And drying on the cob will allow me to break it off really easy, and that way I'll have seed for next year. So that's basically what I am doing with the corn that we just pulled off of the corn stalks. But like I said, all of this right here, all the corn silk, is amazing. You keep that, you dry that, and you store that, and you can put that into your herbal preparations for any type of urinary issues. So there you have it.